Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are keeping fine and safe in this pandemic situation and you are waiting for the job notifications to be out as to when the notifications will be out and you will be able to apply to them and go for your dream job. So here in this video, we are going to talk about the job selections, the job notifications that are out. In this particular video, I will discuss about Orissa Police Recruitment 2021. Online applications have started for 721 sub-inspector and constable post at the rate orissapolice.gov.in in this official website. So Orissa Police Recruitment 2021 has started. Huge opportunity for 12th pass candidates for 721 vacancies of sub-inspector and constable posts are available. Apply now. Check the Orissa Police 2021 application process. Orissa Police Recruitment 2021 educational qualification required. Then the Orissa Police Recruitment 2021 experience, selection criteria, eligibility, and other details. I'm also going to give you out here. So, Orissa Police Recruitment 2021 notification. Orissa Police Recruitment Board has started online applications for recruitment to the post of sub-inspector and constable in different departments of its state. The candidates who are willing to apply for the aforesaid post can now apply to the aforesaid post through online mode directly at orissapolice.gov.in. This is the website. The link to the online application will be given by me here. The special thing about this recruitment drive is that the board is going to recruit transgenders the first time to boost their confidence. The board has released the notification on 14th June 2021 for engagement to the post of sub-inspector and constable in the general duty and communication category. Now talking about the job summary, the notification is declared by Orissa Police Recruitment 2021. Notification is available at orissapolice.gov.in with 721 vacancies for SI, that is sub-inspector and constable posts. Notification date was June 14, 2021. The last date of submission is 15th July 2021. City is Cuttack and state is Orissa. Country will be applicable India. Organization is police, paramilitary forces. Educational qualification required is other qualifications, and if you are graduate, then definitely you can go for it. Functional will be administration in this sector. According to the extracts released on the official website, a total of 721 vacancies will be recruited, out of which 477 vacancies are for SI and 244 are for constable. The last date for submission of the online application is 15th July 2021. The board will conduct the examination in August 2021. The willing candidates can go through this recruitment notification to know about the eligibility criteria, qualification details, age limit, and any other details required to a candidate while applying for the recruitment drive. Now, talking about the important dates, commencement of the submission of online application is 22nd June 2021. The last date for the submission of online application is 15th July 2021. Tentative exam date, which is not fixed yet, will be around August 2021. Orissa Police Recruitment 2021 vacancy details. For sub-inspector, as I told you, there are 477 posts. For constable post, that is for the communication level, there will be 244 posts. Now, Orissa Police Recruitment 2021 eligibility criteria. Talking about the educational qualification, for sub inspector, the candidate or the applicant must be a graduate of a recognized university or an institution recognized by UGC. Constable, for the post of constable communication, the candidate must have passed plus 2 examination or equivalent examination conducted by the Council of Higher Secondary Education Orissa or by other recognized board or council. The candidate must have passed a diploma in computer application or equivalent course from a recognized university or recognized institution duly affiliated by the government. Orissa Police Recruitment 2021 age limit. For the sub inspector's post, there should be a limit of age of 21 to 25 years. For the constable communication post, the age limit is 18 to 23 years. Now coming to how to apply for Orissa Police Constable Recruitment 2021. Interested candidates can apply online on or before 15 July 2021. After submission of the online application, the candidates can take a printout of the application submission for future reference. Now this is the process, or else you can go to the website and there are a recruitment option there, so definitely you can log into there, do your registration, fill up the form with all the details given, that is all your details have to be filled out correctly, and then you can wait for the exam date. If you are duly registered, then definitely you will get an admit card for this, and your exam date, your exam center, everything will be revealed on that, and you can follow. You have to give your email, so all the details will be processed in your email, so definitely you can follow that and go to the official website for further details. So this is all about the Orissa Police recruitment. There are huge vacancies. So huge vacancies, and the eligibility criteria is also given. So if you think you are eligible for the job, the date of submission is nearing very soon. Do not wait for it. If you are a resident of Orissa itself, you will be given priority. So all the best for your career. Do not wait, because the date, as I told you, is very near. So you can just fill out the application form, and if you are eligible, definitely then fill out the application form, go to the official website, the link is available there, you can fill it out from there, and you can wait for the exam date to be released. Selection will be based on those criterias, and I hope if you are eligible, you will definitely get the job. So all the best for your career. I hope you will get the job if you are eligible enough. So just for the time being, stay happy, stay home, stay safe, and keep watching videos. There will be other notifications out also, but this is a very important and nice job vacancy. So if you are eligible, you can go for it. All the best. Thank you for watching this. Thank you.